tether machine, base machines, and so a lot of machinery are dealers like these thousand witnesses. They're systematic part. We can have a carrier or a base machine. Modern machinery, like lots of dealers, they build them a lot of lots of machines. You can buy them from the dealer as is, or you send a machine in. You have a thermal excavator. They'll put a package on it like this, and you put it for you if you have an existing base machine. Some of the other tethering options operate the same way. You have a carrier, 35 excavator, you send it to a company, they will do the retrofit, get it set up to tether with. Whereas the T-winch, they come out of the factory as a T-winch, that's what they are. Same thing with the ROMs, remote operated bulldozers.